Hello friends, welcome to Tutorials Point. In this tutorial, we will see how we can export or share the dataset and the visualizations in SAP Lumira. So first of all, how we can export the dataset as a file. So once you are done with the datasets, visualizations and stories, there is an option to export, print or publish them. So here in the slide you can see that next to the compose room we have the share room. So once you will go to the share room, you can save the data set as a CSV or .xls file. So to do this, you can go to the share tab and then you can select the data set from the left hand panel and then you can go to the file and export as file. So once you will do, you will get an option to save it as a .xls or .csv file. Similarly, you can export the stories. You can export the stories in the PDF format and you can also select all pages to export or the number of pages in the range option to export. Then how you can export the visualizations in email or print. So you can export the visualizations to a printer or you can also send it in an email to a user. So for that you have to go to the options in the visualization and you have to click on send by email. So here you can see that there is an option of send by email. So once you will click on this send by email, here you can select and choose the export size small, medium or large and you can click on OK to share it. Similarly, to print the visualization, again you have to use the share tab and then from the visualization you will get an option to print the visualization. So you can print it as a PDF or you can send it to OneNote. So this way you can share your visualizations, your data set and stories with others in SAP Lumira. So in this tutorial we discussed how we can share and print the visualizations and stories in SAP Lumira. Thank you.